Hi everyone, this is a shot I've been trying to do for probably months now. What I've got here is a pop bottle, or the brams are available, and it's about a third full of water. I'm going to take the top off. What I'm going to do is put about a tablespoonful of Vanish Oxy-Action cleaner in there. So that'll do. And then I'm going to add a couple of stearin tablets for those of you with dentures. Just break these in half, put them in. For those who don't know, stearin goes a nice blue colour. I'm going to replace the lid with a shredder valve cap. Nice and tight. At the moment that's quite squashy, and I'm going to leave that for about 10 minutes just to settle and let the pressure build up. What's going to happen is the oxygen levels in there are going to build up, pressurise the bottle a little bit, but it won't be pressurised as high as we need it. So we'll leave that for now, and I'll see you in about 10 minutes. Okay, it's had about 10 minutes and the bottle's pretty firm, but not as firm as I want it to be. What's happened now is that the oxygen is expanded, but the molecules on the bottom here can't expand anymore because the pressure at the top is stopping them from producing any more oxygen. But I want to pressurise this to about 50 psi. So using my trusty old compressor, I'm going to take this shredder valve lid off, and you can hear the air coming out. I'm going to lie this down and I'm going to pressurise it, and I'm going to kind of stand away while this happens. I'll come back to it. I don't want it blowing up in my face, so we'll just start this off. I'll walk away and I'll come back when it's pressurised. See you shortly. Well, that worked well. Yeah. Still, trial and error. Got some nice smelling stuff here.